This video is little bit different where I'm going to tell you that how you can switch to Salesforce from a completely non-IT background, or also if you are someone who has a long career gap, especially us, mothers, right? So and not only mothers, sometimes it happens that we switch to different country. We don't have a valid EAD or an authorization to work, and we have a long career gap, right? So if you are someone who wants to switch to IT back, or who is from a completely non IT background and is looking that which technology you should go for, I will tell you that Salesforce is one of the best technologies right now to go for, and why. I have it all covered in my slides. But before that, I just want to introduce myself. So this video of mine is little bit different from other videos where I normally go through a concept of Salesforce. So here I'm going to little bit introduce myself, and then I'll go through that how you can switch to Salesforce from a completely non-IT background. So I am Soumya Agarwal, and I live in United States. I am in Georgia right now, and I moved here in 2018. So I'm living here from around 7 years, and I have a decade of experience in IT. I have worked on different roles. So I was a Java developer. I started my journey into IT as a Java developer. I have done engineering in computer science from India, and I was a developer from a long time. I think 6 7 years I was a Java developer, and then something wonderful happened to me and I became a mother of two kids. So that led me to change my Java developer profile to a profile where I can easily manage work and life, and I got introduced to Salesforce. But my journey was not smooth, and I got a lot of difficulties, and I had a lot of questions. I had no one to go to. So it was little bit difficult. And once I switched, I did my certification, I switched, I was able to get a very good job. And after that, I started loving my profile, I started loving my work, and I thought that the work life balance is really good in this profile as compared to a Java developer profile where I used to sit nights doing some production issues, something coding related. So this was quite easy for me to switch to Salesforce as a Java developer. But I have got you all covered. If you are starting from scratch, you don't need to worry. Okay, you don't need to think that this girl has a lot of IT experience, but what about us? No need to worry. So let's start. First of all, I'll tell you that why I'm recommending Salesforce. So these are the top four things which I've covered, but there are a lot of other things. Firstly, there is a very high demand in the market. So in today's scenario, if you search Salesforce jobs, you will get n number of jobs in US, in India, and there is a very high demand in the market. And also profiles, different profile jobs you will find in Salesforce. So it can be admin job, or a consultant, or a developer, or a business analyst. A lot of profiles are there. Then secondly, and most important, the learning is all free. If you are a person who is not able to spend on resources, you don't need to worry at all, because Trailhead got you covered. Now what is Trailhead? Trailhead is a free online learning platform which Salesforce has provided, and it has everything. It has all hands on, it has all certification, it has all trail mixes, trailheads. They have given lot of courses on how you can cover all different certifications. And I'll go to Trailhead, and I'll tell you little bit about how it looks like. So you just have to create a profile here like you create in any other app, And this is how it looks like whenever you will complete any questions or any trails or projects on Trailhead. It is going to give you some points, like you can see that in my profile I have some points, I have some badges. So this we get when we complete some hands on some projects or some questions on Trailhead. And in many of the jobs you will find that they say that you should have, in the job description they say that in the Trailhead profile you should have this much points or this much ranks, and these are the ranks of Trailhead. So it provides a lot of ranks based on the badges and the points. It The ranks goes on increasing and as you keep on learning. Now I will also tell you somewhere where you can find certification. So you can go to credentials and certifications, and here you can go and explore a lot about how different profiles have different certifications, and you can go in depth about all the profiles. I will share a link of Trailhead in my description of this video, and you can go ahead and learn more about it. So Trailhead is all free. Just have to create an account. You can do a lot of hands-on and practicals on Trailhead. Also, there are a lot of beautiful courses like Focus on Force, like Udemy provides some courses. They come with a charge, but if you don't like Trailhead much, and if you want to explore some other courses, then you can go for some paid courses on Focus on Force and Udemy, or you can also go for any YouTube channel. There are a lot of famous YouTube channel which provide free Salesforce admin courses, so you can go to any of those and you can learn from there. But I would highly recommend you that go for practical on Trailhead. When you are learning about projects, about modules, you are learning on how to implement it, then come on Trailhead and do all the hands-on exercises. Now third is that no code. Now what profiles I'm going to tell you, they require no code in Salesforce. So if you are a non-IT person, you don't know coding, there is no need to worry. I have a lot of profiles, Salesforce profiles, where you don't even need to touch any coding. Okay, and then lastly, a lot of job opportunities. So different profiles, a lot of job opportunities. So right now the market is really hot for Salesforce jobs. Now next is that what do you need. So if you are someone who is watching me, and you have these criterias of switching to IT, I would say time. You need time, okay? And just make a schedule. Just devote your 3 hours, 4 hours, or at least 2 hours of learning every day, every single day. And just don't think that I will start my admin course today and I'm going to finish it in 15 days or 20 days. No, that is not possible, right? So you have to make a schedule. It will take time because you are very new to IT, you are very new to Salesforce, so it will take time. Okay, so you need to give at least 2 or 3 hours of learning every day. Okay, and I will not say that there is a defined time period like 1 month or 2 month or 3 month. I would say it depends on your understanding, right? Because we all are different. So how you learn, how fast or easily you can adapt to a new org, a new tool completely, right? So it depends on your understanding. But yes, I will say that within 2 to 3 months, you will think that yes, you have it all covered, or you will start feeling at least strong, and you will be confident that okay, yeah, I will be able to, give the examination. And then you need a laptop or a computer and internet connection. I mean, that is basic for all the learnings which we need. And then consistent and dedicated learning, this is very, very, very important. Just make a schedule, just be consistent, and just think that I have to switch. Be very consistent and be very dedicated to whatever you are doing. So now next is which certification and role to go for initially. So I would highly, highly, highly recommend go for Salesforce admin certification. I cannot stress on how important this certification is, because this provides a lot of detail into basics of Salesforce. You will get to know a lot of things if you cover this certification, which is known as Salesforce admin certification. Okay, and secondly, there are a lot of jobs like from junior to senior Salesforce admin jobs which require just one certification, and which is Salesforce admin certification. So with this certification you can get your career running. Okay, at least you can start with Salesforce for with a simple job. You know, if you are from completely non IT background, you can just start with a junior Salesforce admin role. Okay, and that would be enough for you to start, and then you can switch for other good roles based on your understanding, based on what interest you like. So just aim for Salesforce admin certification. Okay, first of all. And secondly, if you are looking for some other certification which has basics of Salesforce, but you are not aiming for admin, then you can go for Salesforce platform app developer. So a lot of context, I mean, a lot of things are similar in both the certifications, but admin certification is more about, you know, admin role in Salesforce. So I would highly recommend go for this. Now, my next slide is that what should we target next. Now your admin certification is done, you got a role in admin like a junior admin or a Salesforce admin, you know, and you can grow in that role of a senior admin. There is also an advanced certification which you can do if you're going for senior admin roles. Okay, but if you don't like that admin role and if you want to switch to some other role in Salesforce, then these are the roles you can go for. So you can go for business analyst a role, you can go for customer success manager, for sales ops role, and also these are the certifications which you can do. So the Salesforce business analyst, Salesforce associate, Salesforce sales cloud consultant, and also there are a lot of other clouds in Salesforce like marketing cloud, commerce cloud, and n number of options, service cloud. So you can go for any cloud consultant certification based on what was your interest, what did you like the most. So yeah, this video covers all these things. I would highly recommend go for Salesforce admin certification. Just go and log into Trailhead today if you're watching me, and just start learning. So in my next video I will go in detail on Salesforce admin certification, that how much weightage what portion has, what does it, what are the basics of admin certification, and what does it cover, what kind of questions do they ask in admin certification. I will also cover that what kind of job, you know, when you are a Salesforce admin, right? So you might be wondering that what kind of job a Salesforce admin will do, right? So I will get you all covered. I will tell you small things that what are the demands of a Salesforce admin job, and you will be surprised to see that you can do everything. There is nothing which is very difficult, everything is very simple. What you need is time and learning. So just focused, just dedicate some time, just create a schedule and just stick to it. So happy learning, friends, and thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye.